Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Hey homegirl, thank you so much for coming. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this simple makeup look. Yep, it's very simple and beginner friendly. Also, I'm at 500 subscribers. Woo! And you guys know what that means. That means my first giveaway to one of you lucky subscribers. You have to watch the video to the end to know exactly how to enter to win this giveaway. That was awesome. It was really easy, simple, straight to the point, huh? Well, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can enter to win this giveaway. Woo! Okay, First, you have to be subscribed to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, okay? Next, you have to make sure you over there following me on Instagram at miss._Mackenzie, okay? And then you have to be 18 or older, you know, to enter this giveaway. And you have to be in the United States. Make sure you share something nice about yourself. You know, encourage yourself today. You know, leave a word of encouragement to yourself in the comment section. Because sometimes you have to encourage yourself. So, with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and hit that post notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I post a video. And once again, thank you so much for coming.